Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL fundamental series video. And we'll start the video right after, and don't want to no extra words, we'll just start. So as usual, we'll select from the employee table, execute. So it will just return all the rows from the database and whatever the table has. Okay, so the first concept is, suppose there are some jobs are there in the table. Okay, salesman is there, manager is there, analyst is there, clerk is there. So suppose I do not know whatever jobs, it has a long list of jobs, and I do not know particularly what jobs are in there. Okay, so I just want to retrieve result based on a certain letter or certain words or like that. So how I will get the rows? Because here we can see salesman is there, manager is there. Okay, so first we will discuss about this. If there is a n, if there is a n in any word, we want to retrieve those rows. If there is no n, it will not come. Okay, so how we can do that? Select job from employee, where job. For matching results, what we use, the keyword is like. Okay, so we will use like. Like has three types. First, we want to match a word which can be present at any spot, at first, at last, at middle, wherever it might be. We don't care about that. We just want, if it is there, the rows would come. So what we will do? We'll do like this, double percentile. That means it doesn't matter where the n is, if it is there, return me those results. So you can see, if there is a n in any word, the rows came like that. What if we want, if any word starts with n, return me those results? We can use the letter first or word first, then 1%. That means it starts with the word or letter. After that, any number of characters can present, any number of words can present. You can see there is no word that starts with n. Let's give an example. S. So you can see salesman, it starts from S. So the result came. What if I want to retrieve some result which ends with n? So I will first use the percentile, then use the word or letter, whatever I want to match with. So I want to retrieve all the rows for the job column if it ends with n. Okay, so you can see this salesman ends with n, so it can. Similarly, we can try the T also. And you can see analyst, resident, analyst, these are words that ends with n. So you know now how to match anything with this. We can use three types of like. Okay, so if you want to use multi times, like suppose job, you want to match the job, and also there is another column you want to match, suppose name or name, like. Okay, you have to use every individual time you want to use like. It is not like that you separated by comma and use like once and give all the things, it will not come. So you have to use like each time you want to match with something, like this. You can use or and whatever results you want, If you want both condition to satisfy, you can use AND. If you want any of the condition to satisfy, you can use OR. Okay. So we also know if we want to order something, we know suppose I want job and salary. I want to order by descending. Order by sum ds. By default it is ascending, you can use it too. Okay. I don't know why it is returning like that. Maybe some data type issue. We'll check that. But if I want to use like ascending order from low value to higher value, okay, it return ascending order. Now if I will use descending, it will return me result in descending order. So what I did, I just casted the data type to integer. I think some data type problem, maybe it is in character or any other thing. So the order was coming like that and it was not correct. So I just casted the data type. So you can order the rows by this condition. And if you want to order multiple fields, you just nothing you have to do. You just have to mention your fields separating with comma. Suppose I want to order by salary in descending order, and after I want to order by job. So it will first order by salary, then it will order by the job, whatever comes in that salary. Okay. So like that ordering works. Like that you can use with like substring also and other things also. So you can try with that. So mostly we use order to give order by. Okay. So that is the thing. These are very simple things. You can like you can skip also, but like we know we have to start from basics. Whatever how much basic things you will know, it will be better for you. If you will jump in right into the middle, it might be easy for some while, but later it might be confusing why this is getting used, why this is getting used. So these are the things you can like face. Okay. So this is the order by things. And after that, suppose there are multiple tables. I want result based on multiple tables. Suppose there is salary. Okay, here different jobs are there in one table. Suppose there is one table for manager, another table for analyst, another table for salesman. So what I can do, I can merge those results by using union all or only union. I'll select job from table 2, union, select job from table 3. How many tables are present there? We can use and merge. It will come like this. It will not come as separate columns, it will come row by row. For suppose in each table there are 10 rows present, so it will come return me 30 results. Like that I can merge the results. Okay, so it is almost 10 minutes and I think we discussed only 3 concepts. We'll keep it light, nothing, no worries, videos are there. We'll discuss like slowly and we'll go to advanced concepts like joins and other things. So we're just starting out, so as slow you can start, you will also have time to grasp the concept in a better way. So we'll just keep it like that. We'll discuss more concept later on. Tomorrow we will discuss another 3 concepts and other things also there. So stay tuned, subscribe and like, comment if you learn something new. If you are just starting out, what are the things you are facing, what are the problems you are facing, just comment. I'll try to make videos on specifically that topic. If you do not want to start from these things like order by and other things, if you do not want to start from basic, you can just comment and I will try to make those video on those specific topic. Otherwise we'll continue like that. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe. I hope you have a good day, happy learning, and learn from whatever source you can. Okay, these are very easy things. Once you get all the concepts, it is very easy for you. So bye bye guys, just please subscribe and like. Thank you.